Welcome to Elephant Mind. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered image creation with a powerful tool called Adobe Firefly. Firefly isn't your average image editing software. It's a web-based AI generator that lets you create stunning visuals straight from your imagination using just text descriptions. Join us as we explore the exciting features of Firefly. Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is an innovative image generation tool. It's part of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite. Adobe Firefly, designed for professional-grade AI image generation, aims to provide a seamless experience for Adobe ecosystem users. Integrates with Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. Suitable for enhancing photographs, creating digital artwork, and designing marketing materials. Produces professional-grade results for commercial projects. Advanced algorithms generate detailed and realistic images, saving time and effort. Adobe Firefly is designed to help artists and creators generate high-quality images using advanced AI technology. Let's dive into its key features, output quality, and overall pros and cons. Key features. One of the standout features of Adobe Firefly is its intuitive interface, which makes it accessible for both beginners and professionals. With Firefly, you can generate stunning images from simple text prompts. Just type in your idea, and watch the AI bring it to life. The tool offers extensive customization options, allowing you to tweak style, color, and composition to perfectly match your vision. Firefly seamlessly integrates with other Adobe products, enhancing your creative workflow with collaborative features. Output quality. The output quality of Adobe Firefly is impressive, with high-resolution images that are both detailed and visually appealing. From intricate details to vibrant colors, Firefly ensures that each image meets professional standards. Pros and cons. Let's look at some pros and cons of Adobe Firefly. Pros. Pros include an easy-to-use interface, high-quality output, seamless Adobe integration. Powerful customization options. Cons. On the downside, Firefly can be resource-intensive, and some advanced features might have a steep learning curve. Extensive feature set can be overwhelming for beginners. Users need to invest time in learning to use the tools to their full potential. Tutorials and documentation are available but require significant learning. Thank you for exploring with Elephant Mind.